Working under a blue flame, open the sterile 96 well plate with lid. Then add 100 microlitres of media to every well in every row that you plan to use. Once you have added the 100 microlitres of media to each well that you will use, you need to add the antibiotic to the first well. You should calculate the volume of antibiotic needed to add to the first well to produce the desired final concentration of antibiotic in 200 microlitres of total volume for well 1. Add this volume of antibiotic to well 1, then calculate how much sterile media should be added to give well 1 a final volume of 200 microlitres. Add this volume of media to well 1 also. You will now have 200 microlitres of media in well 1 with your desired concentration of antibiotic. This will now be serially diluted twofold along the wells in row 1 by transferring 100 microlitres from well 1 into well 2, and then transferring 100 microlitres from well 2 into well 3, and so on until you reach well 10. When you transfer 100 microlitres of media and antibiotic from well 9 into well 10, you should mix the contents of the well by pipetting up and down a few times. Then remove 100 microlitres of the contents of this well and discard it in a BioCleanse pot. This will give you 100 microlitres of media in all wells, and wells 1 to 10 will contain a twofold dilution in concentration of your antibiotic. Now you will add 10 microlitres of your diluted bacterial culture to every well except for those in column 12, which act as sterility controls. Once the MIC assay is set up, you will incubate it at the required temperature and for the required length of time for your organism. After incubation, you will see that your bacterial culture has grown in some wells, creating a cloudy appearance, but not in all. The wells containing the higher concentrations of antibiotic may remain clear. Well 11 is your positive control and should always show growth, and well 12 is your negative control and should never show growth. The minimum inhibitory concentration for your antibiotic is the last clear well before growth is observed, as highlighted here.